How's it going, YouTube? SpecM Auto is back with another video today. So, y'all know what this video is going to be. I'm sure y'all can guess it. Well, and plus, it's probably in the title, too. But, today, we're going to be putting in the new PrecisionWorkz headlights that I have just recently unboxed in my last video. I know it's been such a long gap between that video and this video, but there was a lot of circumstances and things going on where I just couldn't really do anything with that right away. Got like family holiday stuff and work and everything else. Anyway, let's go ahead and get on to the video. It's not going to be like a very detailed installation video, but there will be like time lapses, and there will be a little bit of me showing you a little bit of how I'm going to wire the LED strip up and stuff, because there's just nothing online about that I could find, and I ended up figuring this out myself without having to email PrecisionWorkz asking them. So enjoy the video, guys. Okay guys, so a quick update. We were able to get the bumper and the old headlights off. Unfortunately, this tab right here was rusted off, and the tab that was holding the OEM headlight was broken. So I had to use some PB Blaster and a little bit of wiggle power to get it out. So that is said and done. But I was able to get my relay for my Morimoto HID kit here, zip tied to this, tucked away in there, so it's just kind of away from the elements. I obviously snaked the driver's side wires into this. Here's the ballast. And then we'll come up here. I snaked the wiring for the passenger side under here, all the way across out this hole. And to get it to be nice and tucked away and clean looking, I had to put some zip ties down to hold these wires in place, so we don't have to worry about wires getting into moving parts or areas where the wires shouldn't be going. While I'm thinking about it, I better clip that last zip tie. So just go down here, go, yeah, boop, just like that. Boom. I've seen YouTube videos where well, there was one that really caught my attention. Basically, there was some hillbilly, weird sounding dude putting HID set into his car, and he just like threw the wires in there, just sprawled them across the thing. there was a lot of very frustrated comments on his video, and I have to agree with those people. Sure, zip ties are a shitty look to the car, but it still looks very clean with the wires hidden, and we don't have to worry about seeing the zip ties, because guess what? When this is all put together, we got this beauty cover here, so guess what? You won't see any zip ties in the way. So let's go ahead and get these new headlights out, plug them into the ballast, hook them in, bolt them in, and then we can complete the video by hooking these terminals up to the batteries, or battery. There's no batteries, it's a battery. And then we're gonna do a little test run and see how they work. Oh, and I also got to figure a way to splice the T-taps for the LED strip into my daytime running lights. So we're going to do that as well as we're hooking this up. Alrighty guys, we're one huge step closer to success. So now, as you guys can probably see, I now have my LED strip connected and ready to go. It's glowing white for the running lights. You turn your signal. Now look at that. Let me put you guys right here so I can let you guys take a good look at it real quick. Alright, so here's the turn signal. Running light. Off. Running light. Signal. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you guys what I did real quick, because I could not find anything online about what to do with this, so I'm going to show you guys right now real quick. So these LED strips plug into there, goes through this little box, goes up to this wire that has a yellow wire, a black, red, and white wire. So basically what I did was, in these Civics, sorry guys, your yellow wire will go to the brown wire, your black wire obviously goes to black, and then your red and white wire for the LED strip will go to the red. So that's how you plug everything up to make the strip work on both sides. So let's go ahead and continue putting all this together and see how all this comes out. Alrighty, guys. Well, that's going to wrap up today's video. I hope y'all liked the content and all that fun jazz. Like I said earlier, I know it wasn't a very specific, detailed installation video and all this and that, but if you guys have followed my channel for a while, you guys will know that I've already done previous headlight installation and headlight swap videos and stuff that are way more detailed. So if I can find one of those headlight videos, I'll leave it in the description down below. I hope y'all enjoyed the video today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content, guys. Every subscription, every like, and every share really makes a huge difference on my channel. It really helps people discover the channel and, you know, give more car enthusiasts something to watch. But alrighty, guys, I'm gonna head out of here. I'm actually getting ready to go into my job to work. So obviously this clip was filmed much later after I did the headlights. So alright, guys, hope y'all liked it. Have a good day. Stay safe out there. See y'all next time.